Looking at these people, yeah, I don't know whether if they are kids or what. Are they your children?
You know, they are my siblings. They are my brothers and sisters.
Really?
Yes.
So where are the parents?
The parents have died. Our parents have died.
The parents are dead.
Yes. So
Is it only the mother that is dead or only the father that is dead?
the father and the mother both have died.
How come?
No, my mother just a small sickness that took her away, and my father too, likewise like that. So I am the one looking at them, helping them in every aspect of life. So make it very difficult for me in order to make it in life.
Are they twins?
No, they are not twins. They are not twins.
They are not twins.
No, they are born one by one.
So how come that they cannot walk? What's actually wrong with them?
Me too, I cannot explain, but what I know as their elder brother is that the time my mother gave birth to them, she gave birth to this one first and was disabled from the mother womb, and the other one also like that. So that's how they are.
So far there are two who are disabled like this.
There are three, but one have died.
What?
One have died ago.
So what's his name?
His name is Papa Maupomo.
Papa Maupomo.
Maupomo. Or simple Maupomo.
And how old is he?
He's 20 years.
He's 20 years.
Yeah, yes.
And how old is
Juliana is 22 years.
She's called what? Juliana.
Juliana.
And then how old is she?
She's 22 years.
What do you do to cater for these people who happens to be in this situation?
That is why that place is very difficult for me, because I'm attending school before, but because of the problem in the house, I cannot further my education. So mine is to go to bush and do something to get a meal for them daily, because they cannot do anything for themselves. That is why I'm also left behind in the house, so making it difficult for me.
Papa, how are you?
I'm fine.
How old are you?
Bravo.
20 years.
20 years.
20 years.
And a bit.
Okay. It seems they don't understand the English, neither do they understand the Cree, so they only understand the Ewe. Yeah, so I'm finding it difficult to communicate with them because I'm also not good in the Ewe. So how does he walk? Is he able to walk?
Screw on the ground like this.
Can you walk from
Papa,
here?
Can
you walk for me to see, please? So okay. So this is how he walks. So let him turn and come. Let him turn and come. So for the past 20 years, this is how he's been working.
Yes.
Come to me. Come. Oh gosh, this is unfortunate. So what about the lady too? Is she able to walk?
The lady there, in fact, she cannot walk even like the Maupomo is doing. Well, she should be stretching herself on the ground, like that. So even she cannot make it like how the elder brother is doing.
So as for her, like how does she move unless you carry her or what?
We carry her to the room and we brought her again. When she defecates, you have to collect it, everything like that.
So you have been doing that work?
I'm the one doing it, but by the grace of God, my woman too is supporting me in that aspect.
So currently, what do you want from anyone that is watching you? If someone is touched and wish to help you, what do you want?
I want is that looking at the situation, in fact, it's not easy. So if anyone is touched by the grace of God to be helping us, especially in the financial aspect, to support them so that the work will be easy for me, I would like it. So we want financial support from anyone that want to help us in any way.
I will see how much Simon will be a Kote a Uti region. Na me buy no video ya who say many be my our hawadi in 20 years in eduno na many buy so ewa hanoma no so wadi 22 years na areho sem ne se oma me wo omo enwotwe ana enkron 9 na miensa na omo mu no sebi na se na omo tibia etie omo timi emfa omo 9 enante kese omo hwia omo boso saa oba na wo mu no so kra no de ono de ontimi nante kra kese ono so twi ne ton saa na eno so ohwa amane boso so ayi kakra enti obenante agese mo pagya no na mo miensa fufi antoata ba ko na wo mu no wa film amanti se o makatu we enti ana ye fasa akwanya we nso se o kakra bia wo bia no betim dia boa as a foundation na nipa binum se ye bekwa ko hye o mu bia no ye nso yetimi aboa wo mu o he videos no bebra wotim mu se ye chini adwuma afa to ye ho so se ye beboa na wona asabi wona sa atibia we mu no wo mo atimi enso so anya bibi ade akoma no ndi samri ye wo Uti region kura ye friend Kote uhu say minia by minia be my 20 years and 22 years omonam arahuse mim na ye ba hanom no ye si wa hwate be 4 ye bedru hanom na say abo awia be 3 di kwan ne waye papa nso isa no mo ho do ene papa yafa ato ye ho so ntino yaba si ene omo eba ba twenkomo enti kakra ye kanyina na mabo no tofa mede acho no menim se akwa so a obetimi ede kakra bia wo bia no na wo de aboa e wo mobile money number sia ohu screen na so no na menim se nyankopon ebema ne nsa so ama sabi mini papa yin so waye na ro semba akokra kamera ye fi na ewo mu ne se awofo omo wo ma me ne papa ni nyina no afrim maame na ewu papa na ewu nti me bra ya wo hai on na ye obapanyi a sabi ohwe enkra no bai ontime nante nti ne etie ne se gese obija na nan o obeyedin o papa ya na wode ne nsa ate na wasesi omo ho interviews akoma obetimi ahye share na obi enya binhwe share for adwenkyere eto ase yakopon hia so jebre na hwe